Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica. So friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make orange peel scrub. Yes, this is like first ever time I'm making this orange peel scrub and I'm like super happy, super excited to show you guys that how this works. And trust me, I have not used it before. This is my first ever time making this scrub and giving you a live demo that how it works on my skin and what are the results. So beauties, firstly let me show you how to make this scrub, and it smells really amazing. Really amazing. So now let me show you how to make this and how you have to apply it on your face. So beauties, let's get started. So beauties, firstly you have to take some orange peel, then just cut it like I did in this video. Then you have to put it under direct sun. You have to dry it out for 3 to 4 days. Now after 4 days you can see beauties, it's totally hard. It became a dried orange peel as we want it for our scrub. So now I'm going to grind it in my mixer. So after grinding, you can see beauties, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that just don't grind it too much. Granules should be there as we are making scrub, not powder. So there should be granules which will gonna help you in scrubbing. Now just take a clean dry container and store all the orange scrub in it. So whenever I have to use this orange peel scrub, what I do, I took another bowl, add 1 tablespoon of orange peel which I recently made. I add little amount of turmeric in it. I just love turmeric. I add honey, 1 tablespoon of honey in it. Then I'm adding little amount of rose water to make a fine paste. So that's how I use this scrub on my face. So here it is. Now I'm going to show you by applying it on myself. So beauties, I already washed my face with my regular face wash. Now I'm taking a little amount of it and just scrubbing it all over my face. Okay, the first thing, it smells so good. It has that tangy vitamin C kind of smell. So it smells really amazing. The texture is again very mild granules it is having. So just don't rub, don't scrub it harshly, just do it very gently. And this granules, orange peel granules, are really good. You can use it on your lips also. Now friends, after scrubbing, now I'm going to wash my face with normal water. So beauties, after washing my face, I can feel that softness, that pulpiness on my skin, and it just gave me a beautiful glow. Let me show you. So yes, it's a big thumbs up for this orange peel homemade scrub, DIY scrub, and I'm so super excited to make rose petal scrub and some other more scrubs on my list because I just loved it. This is so natural, so herbal, and it just made my skin super soft and super glowy. This is amazing. This is must-have thing. You just go and make a orange peel scrub and just store it, and whenever you want to use it, just take a little amount of it, add turmeric, add honey, add aloe vera. If you're having a dry skin, you can add a little bit of coconut oil or almond oil in it, and then just scrub it every weekend or twice a week and just get that flawless and shiny skin without chemical, without any harsh thing. And this is, you all should try. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. If you have any recommendation and any suggestion, just comment it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you so much guys. Take care.